You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hi Nail Fam, Happy New Year to you, and I hope that you are well. I was feeling kind of cute today, so I did this really simple butterfly set using some new gel polish, and I'm going to be showing you today how I did them. So Rosalind was kind enough to send me over these 3 sets of colored gel polishes. When the package arrived, this is how the gel polish came, with little plastic bags over them. And it's 3 in total. 2 of them are solid colors and 1 is a glitter. So this first one here is a glitter set, and it's PX037. There are medium as well as fine kind of sequins in this, a little bit of glitter. It's an absolutely beautiful color. I have my swatch. Beautiful glitter mix. Absolutely loved that color. So now let's move on to the color gel, which is PX009. And this one is a beautiful pink gel polish, and it is the main color that I'm using in my nail design. As you can see, it's the perfect pink. It's not too bright, it's not too dark, and the color, look at how smooth and creamy and beautiful this color is. Absolutely loved this gel polish. And this final colored gel polish here is PX013, and this is like a neon orange kind of gel polish. It's really bright, but it's not a blinding kind of color. So I have my swatch stick here. I'm just going to go ahead and swatch this for you so that you can see how beautiful and bright this color is. I think this color would be perfect for the upcoming spring season, which is not that far away. It did need 2 coats, so I had to go ahead and put in a second coat because some areas were a little bit on the translucent side. But other than that, here are all 3 of the colors. Absolutely loved how they complement each other. So here are my crusty nails. I'm going to be popping these nails off, so I'm going to use my star glue. And because I like to do designs and multiple videos per week, I use this foil glue as my sort of DIY peel off base. So I apply this foil glue onto my nail. I'm not doing any kind of buffing or filing because it's not necessary. And because this is water-based, it actually self-dries, so you don't actually need to use a UV lamp to let this dry. It usually you're just going to need just a little bit of the DIY gel onto the nail. Then you're going to go ahead and press it onto your nail, allowing the clear DIY gel to reach the free edge of the nail. Once it reaches the free edge of the nail, you can let it go. It won't move. And then you're going to take your UV lamp and just flash cure it for around 15 seconds. Here is how my nails are looking after just one coat, but I do go in with the second coat, and once I'm done, then I'm going to go ahead and apply some top coat onto the nails that I am done doing. So I'm not going to be adding any design to my thumb or my middle and pinky fingers, so I apply top coat to those ones. For my index finger as well as my ring finger, I'm going to go ahead and add some of this glitter gel polish to the nail just towards the end of the nail, or I would say maybe 40% of the nail. And once I have this glitter gel onto the nail, then I'm going to take a kind of ombre brush, and I'm just gonna kindly, like gently, not kindly, brush down on that glitter